Right, so let's get into this.
Wait, so you're recording now?
Yeah, hopefully I join you again.
Oh, I just messed up like lots of stuff on here.
Yes, I joined you. Quick, hurry up and load me in. Intermission in seconds. Run. 5, 4, 3, 2,
You're not there
1.
though.
Yeah. Yes, I am.
You're in now.
Yeah, you need to scroll down on there. Oh, what? This doesn't make sense.
Screen warning. Oh, this person.
There we go.
Get out of my way. Oh, shoot! I'm dead. Dead. Dead, I tell you. Dead already. I'm a failure. Such terrible skills.
But I clicked it. Hate it. Hurry up.
If you want me to like play a game with you or something, like message me on Roblox and I'll probably play a game, possibly record. Ask me to record if you want me to, so yeah.
Me too.
Yeah, my brother just said him as well, so yeah, if you didn't hear it.
And to all the people that have watched my video.
You can't even see her eyes.
Whose?
This girl. I don't like it. I didn't like what she was wearing. She had a hat over her eyeballs, so she's a blind.
Oh my god, why? 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 Why do two people have to be so good at this game and playing easy?
No, that was probably the creepiest thing I've ever heard. No, I did the evil, weird, purple thing. Don't listen to him. He didn't say anything. Seriously, stop! I think
I'm your
just gonna,
pet.
play this from there.
Giving the chance to survive. I am climbing up a ladder to nowhere. Oof. That hurt. And now I'm flying. Like Superman. Oh. That is just stupid.
I want this one. I'm gonna have to save up for load.
So will I.
What is going on with his arms? What is
He's
he
got
doing?
gravity coil.
No, but what is he doing? His arm kept moving. Stop it!
He put it down and brought it back up. That's what happens. Sometimes it freezes it on. Oh yay! 3, 2, 1. We're going. Goodbye, everybody.
I'm sorry if you don't like 21 Pilots, then you're dead to me.
Everybody, let's do this.
Move on my way.
Let's go.
Alright, just move. I've had enough of these people. No, did you see how close that was?
Yes.
No!
Oh my
I'm so
goodness.
terrible
Ugh.
at
I
this game.
hate
I'm
him.
training.
He made me glitch into the floor and kill
I'm
me.
gonna go into training, okay?
So will I. I'll join you down there.
You can.
Oh, there's an extreme mode. And you need 10 wins to unlock it. Hey, did you know that there's a retro? No, but do not go in it because it teleports you to another place. meaning as in game.
No.
Yeah, I need to practice my agility. Nope. I died.
Alright. Let's go. Nope,
Right.
fell in. Dead.
Zooming out on myself. Jumping up.
Go
Jump.
first.
Yeah. Wait, I'm in that climbing mode. Jump. Jumping. Yeah, yeah. I did. That
I
time.
failed so many times.
And then there's platform jumping.
No, I think I'm gonna stop the video there because it's gonna drag too long. Anyways, bye guys.
And I'm still recording. So to anybody who's watching, that is good. Now, if you wouldn't care, but subscribe or leave a like, I will be cheery. So close to dying. Ooh, so close. Why does it have to put you in that situation? And anyways, everybody, I think I might end the video there. I'm going to do some practicing and then I might make a video sooner or later. Just once I complete this one, and I'll say goodbye. Ooh, I'm going to try that again. So close. Right, I think I'll end the video there. See you in a minute. There's my sister, Claire. Say hi.
Hi. Bye.
And my sister, she also does some videos.
And you'll probably put them in the description. So.
Yes, that is what I will do. So for the moment, goodbye.